Did you know that adding fresh cilantro to your favorite American meals can do wonders for your health? In Western kitchens, cilantro, also known as coriander leaves, is much more than just a colorful garnish. From refreshing summer salads and tangy tomato salsas to hearty Tex-Mex tacos and grilled lime chicken, cilantro adds a burst of fresh flavor to everyday American cooking. But the real magic lies in its incredible medicinal properties. If you struggle with high blood sugar or poor digestion, cilantro is a natural lifesaver. It acts as a powerful digestive aid, reducing bloating and soothing an upset stomach after a heavy meal. Even more surprising, cilantro is a champion at heavy metal detox. It contains natural compounds that bind to toxic metals like lead and mercury in your body, helping your system flush them out safely. Plus, it is packed with antioxidants that boost your heart health and lower bad cholesterol. Incorporating it into your daily diet is incredibly easy. Just chop a handful of fresh cilantro and toss it over your roasted veggies, morning omelets, or favorite chicken bowls. Have you tried adding cilantro to your meals today? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to check the description link to grab premium organic cilantro seeds to grow your own at home. See you next time.